Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just wanted to show you a flea market find I got. I got it at the same time I got that plate. Some of this is not a part of the flea market, but I got this a little while ago. It's a pair of whisk snips, but it's a pair that cuts that 1/4 inch fucking swath through the metal, cutting heavier stuff. That's that. I wanted to give you a bit better look at this here. Proto Canada. Somebody was asking about this. Yeah. So I guess that'd be a 18 or probably an 18-foot or 18-inch lady slipper. Very nice piece this is. Doesn't look like it's been abused, smashed up too hard. Very nice. And this is kind of everything else I got at the flea market. Alright, we got a new Craftsman chisel. This is one of those double 1/2 inch for the older style, and that's the adapter that goes from female to female, and you can change that up so you can use a regular ratchet handle. I got an old Ford wrench. These here are all snap-on. These are early snap-ons too. Probably 40s. And this one's probably later than that, earlier than that. No, later. And that's a little threaded end all. There's a little ball and Allen head. Alright, we got some wrenches here. OTC, the early OTC. Some Blue Point wrenches. That'll actually finish out a set I've already got of the larger ones. Got an older gray, which is the Whitworth size. Got a SK electrolyte. I'm not sure what this one is. It's moly steel, nickel, patent, date, and a number. We got a bezeler, socket 3/8, 12 point. We got a Hazit. There's the name. Hazit, what is this? That's a 19 mil. We got a gray 8 point. There's an old herbrand 6 point 1/4 drive. We got a Proto Canada 12 point. It's 13/16, and a herbrand 7/8 socket. I picked those up for like $1 each at the flea market. So in that case, like, subscribe, share. Just stop by, say hello. This is Dano out.